What's up, guys? I'm about to channel over today. Probably gonna go check out Blueberry and their headers because there's a leak from somewhere. I probably need someone here to help me just find it. Cause I need to rev the car up and feel where the exhaust gas is coming from. Because I don't think it does it while idling, but when you hit the gas, you hear it come out. So we're gonna check out that real quick. Then we're also gonna take a ride to Bubba Goose, get some good old food. Go to BJ's, get some, not real BJ's. Get some the store BJ's, of course. And get water, soda, things like that. The stuff for the house. Cause we're running low on water. Our soda is not fully. Oh God, the dog just jumped on me. Hello, baby girl. What you doing? Probably gonna take her for a quick walk cause she loves her walks and she's hyper right now. She's hyper. Hey, calm down. No bite. No bite. No bite. What did I say? No bite. Good girl. Good girl. But yeah, right here I'm making her some dehydrated berries. She has trouble eating her hard food. Not trouble as in like trouble eating it. She just doesn't like to eat it without things being mixed into it. So I'm trying something new. This is my idea. Hopefully it works. Hopefully this little girl will eat. And maybe we'll take her for a quick walk before we leave. Guys, so my exhaust leak's right here. I feel it coming out right here, so it's coming out of the manifold. I didn't see water condensation and stuff, so all you gotta do is get a thing down there and hopefully just tighten it down. Alright guys, so I got it all fixed. It's not really fixed fully. It's better than what it was. Still leaking. The gasket is damaged up top. Mr. Popo in the mirror over there. Alright. So, what do you call it? So, there's a crack in the gasket. Can't fix it right now. I gotta order some gaskets, and just had to take it off and throw a new gasket onto it. Can't do anything else other than that. But yeah, so other than that, the car's good. But, so right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to, BJ's first to get, if you don't know what BJ's also is, BJ's is like a Costco. And if you don't know what a Costco is basically like a wholesale food place. I don't know, wholesale food, not wholesale. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's a bunch of bundle stuff. Like, you buy everything in bulk. It's a bulk place, you buy like everything in bulk. So you can't just buy a small thing of pepper, you gotta get the whole big thing of pepper. You can't just buy one thing of pasta, you gotta buy the whole box of pasta. Like a bunch of, like 6 boxes of pasta to get 1 box of pasta. Basically what it is. So, going there. I'll meet you guys up when we're basically, anything interesting happens on the way there or around BJ's. Alright guys, we're at I just went to BJ's. I thought I was recording, but I ended up wasn't recording some of it. So, I only recorded towards the end, but that was it. But I just realized I wasn't recording. So, but, yeah. So, just got water, just got some juices, some meat for dinner next week, and that's really it. Nothing too much, just drinks and meat. So, going to Bubba Goose now, hopefully get some good old tacos. Oh, I love their tacos, I gotta love them. Alright guys, we got a Bubba Goose here. Gonna go home, go eat some Bubba Goose. I'm probably not gonna record the rest of the night, only because me and my father are probably just gonna go clean up the rest of the house, and that's kind of boring to show you guys. And plus it's getting dark out, and something to do outside. So, and I kind of fixed Blueberry fully. So, this is just vlog. So I'm probably gonna do this every day. I'm gonna try to do a vlog every day, just because I want to get more views on the channel. And hopefully more views and more people to come flowing in, hopefully. And these aren't the best videos in the world, so, but just something I just put on the channel. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below if you guys, anything you want to see on the channel. Also, I'm probably doing exploding balloons soon, which sounds very fun for the science series. So, other than that, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.